Yep, you saw me. There you go, guys. That's a fish. There you go, guys. That's unreal! Oh, this is such an awesome looking fish. Oh, yeah! Alright, guys, check that out. Something's moving down the channel.
I believe that you know that there are fish in here because you have caught the large bass.
Mm-hmm. But I've also seen plenty of sunfish. And I've seen the channel cats. There's something. Yep. It's a bass.
Oh, cool.
It's a baby bass.
Nice.
Yeah. Little fingerling.
Hello.
Good. That means there's a population in here.
Bass. Good bass.
You know what also?
What?
That's my first largemouth bass this year. But good, that means there's a population in here because there's that big one that I saw, and now those small ones.
I really want to buy an ultralight.
They're really some of the best 20 bucks you can spend for fishing. Just a Walmart combo. I'm done getting the combos just because of how much I've had them break.
Yeah.
So I went with a size 20 Okuma Alaris for the reel, and I love this reel. I think if one of my larger spinning rods breaks, I'm going to get a bigger version. But if this rod breaks, I'm just going to get like a Okuma kokanee rod. Just like a little 4-foot.
Another little guy.
Yeah, it's another bass.
Another wee bass. A little bit bigger than the last one.
Yeah. There is a population. Yeah, you can tell this is a different fish because the spot pattern's different.
Mm-hmm. And he's a little bit bigger, like I said.
Yep.
Ah, tiny bass.
Microfishing. I love it. I don't know why people sleep on this.
Go big or go home, yo. That's right.
Going big doesn't always catch. A little bass.
Yeah, I lost some stuff. Tiny bass.
Still counts.
Oh, yes.
Hold on.
That's weird.
You've never done the sniff?
No, I've never done this.
It's strangely addictive. Oh boy. And of course I have a bite. And have a fish on that cast. Biggest bass yet?
Oh yeah, that's a
Dang.
good one. Hey, good job.
Wow.
He's pissed.
Yeah. So. Really? You're gonna rip your own face off.
Yay.
Yeah. Well, that's good. There's a largemouth population in this creek. Seriously, you never tried it?
I'm not doing it.
It smells good.
No, I'm not going. You guys got the nursery set up?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, we are pretty much just waiting for birth at this point.
Cool.
Smallest one yet. Maybe. Whoop. Oh no! Oh, I found it. He fell in the grass. And it's tall grass. I want you to live. I want you to get it bigger. This is a future tank. And I want your population over here to thrive so I could just walk down here and fish for you. Oh, that was, that was bigger. Yeah. That almost took the plastic off. Yeah, I'm starting to think all the little bass are onto me. Never mind. There's a fish.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
Actually, that's not bad.
Fingerling. Hey, you know what we call that? Oh, again? You guys want to die. Yeah, but you know what we call that? A future lunker. It's a future 10-pounder.
Yeah, in this area? I doubt it. See the ripple?
Sometimes I wish my fart sounded like that. Clown horn. Get paid to fart in public. Go to school carnivals. Get paid to fart. Hold on. Get paid to have kids pull my finger. That'd be the life. Another fish.
Yay. Probably the same one.
Wow. All I'm catching today is bass.
That's actually really good.
I know. I know there's sunfish here, but I haven't caught haven't even seen a single one. No, it's a different one because that's the only hole in its face is the one I made. Once you do it, you know. Yeah, so far the chartreuse trout magnet worm has been the lure of the day. Yep. Oh. Quick release. Well, with all the ones I've caught, I'm okay with that.
But it's tiny ducks.
Hello, young ducks.
Oh, they think you're giving them food.
You do not want to bite this. Oh, that fish. It's a bass.
It's a bass.
Really?
Probably dead.
You can make it. There you go.
I might just steal one of your trout magnets.
You got a light rod?
Well, this thing casts them okay. It doesn't cast them super far like that one. But I've used trout magnets with it before.
All right. I got plenty.
Yeah, I think it will.
Use the white one for this watercolor. You want to use either white or chartreuse. Yeah, I figured at least for the catfish, we're going to have a really good conditions right now because no wind. We got a 94% full moon beginning to rise. So we are in one of the feeding times. There we go. The streak continues. Little bass. This one's got the darkest colors. Ooh, more mint. The wind's blowing toward you. Oh, wow. He hit that hard. Still bass. Only bass. Calmest one I've caught. The guy's just like, please just get me off the hook. Cute little dude. Telling you, man, future tanks, future 10-pounders. Of course, it's going to take them forever because in Oregon we have like a 3-month growing season. Little bass?
Little bass.
Little bass. Yeah, they are hungry right now. Got another one. Bass. I think this is the same one I just caught. Color pattern looks really similar. Almost exact same size too. Aww. Oh man, this is perfect too with where the moon is. Right where we're fishing now. We came over here at the perfect time. Another one. Wow, I've gone from not catching any largemouth bass this year to catching a ton of juveniles.
It's total weight, right?
Well, if it's total weight, I've got to be close to a pound by now. You figure every fish weighs an ounce. Every one of those fish weighs at least an ounce. I've caught about 16. Another one. Man, there's a ton of these little guys here. Oh, I almost thought this one was missing a fin. Couldn't see it. Bonk. These guys are ferocious also. I'm not having to set the hook on them. I just got to keep reeling. Hello, ducks. Starting to think the little bass are onto us. Of course, I know last time I said that I caught one on the next cast. One thing you also got to remember about this part of the creek is you come here during the day with sunglasses on, you can see it's like 2 feet deep at the most. There you go. Another little bass.
Didn't even do anything. I was literally about to pick it out of the water, and he comes out from behind a rock and just smashes it.
There we go.
What makes you say that?
He's talked about it. That is probably the smallest one.
Yeah, he's a wee bit tiny. I would take your scrappy nibbles now that you are going to get them. Hey.
He is
a fingerling.
Yep, a little fingerling. Like I keep saying, future tanks. That was a fish, ducks.
Can you say Pavlovian response?
Wow. Yeah, jeez. There is a cloud of mosquitoes around me.
Yeah, I'm batting away pretty bad too.
Well, I've already been bitten about 5 times more than I wanted to for mosquitoes. There you guys go with some urban creek fishing for bass. You know, it ended up being way better than I thought it would. I mean, I didn't even record an intro because I didn't know what we were going to do when we got there. We were trying for catfish, and I brought an ultralight rod just to fish while I was doing that. It is legal in Oregon right now to use 2 rods in a tributary, and the creek we're fishing in is a tributary of the Willamette. It empties into the Willamette, so still legal to use 2 rods there, but I can't tell you how happy I am that we caught that many juvenile bass in that area because it's a very short distance from my house, and it's going to have a really good bass population pretty soon. But let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, things that you guys saw also you want to point out. And I'm trying to get this channel to grow to 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help to do that. So if you could do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and that little notify bell up there so you're going to be the first to see all the great content that's going to come from this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, tips up, tight lines, and have fun fishing.